Hello, dear students. Good morning. Once again, I came with this video on filter structure numericals part 2. I am here, Lalit Kumar P. Bhaiya, Associate Professor, Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Department, Bharati College of Engineering and Technology, Durg. Dear friends, in last video we have seen the digital filters structures numerical on direct form 1 method, and now we will go the digital filter structure numerical with direct form 2 structure. That this already we have seen this equation, and this numerical we have seen that is of direct form 1 method. Now we will go for the numerical with the direct form 2 method. In direct form 1 we have seen this left side represents the all zero system and this side represents the all pole system, and this numerical via this transfer function h of z is equal to y of z upon x of z, this numerator to the left side and this denominator to the right side, zeros and poles. Now we will go for the numerical of direct form 2. Before that we will see one more, a very small numerical. Obtain the direct form 1 realization for the system described by the following difference equation. Y of n is equal to 0.5 y of n minus 1 minus 0.25 y of n minus 2 plus x of n plus 0.4 x of n minus 1. Then you can see here x of n plus 0.4 x of n minus 1 is equal to omega n, and y of n is equal to 0.5 y of n minus 1 minus 0.2 y of n minus 2 plus omega n. So the terms of x of n is written in terms of omega n, and now you can draw here, this is x of n, this is one delay unit, you will get x of n minus 1, and you can multiply here with a constant of 0.5, and this is omega n. Omega n is equal to 0.4 x of n minus 1 here, 0.4 x of n minus 1, and this is x of n. So here omega n is equal to, you will get this x of n and plus 0.4 x of n minus 1. Similarly at the output side, this is the y of n. You can put here one delay unit z inverse, you will get y of n minus 1, multiply with 0.5. One more delay unit, you will get y of n minus 2, multiply with this minus 0.25, since minus 0.25 is there in the equation, and these are added here, you will get the y of n. So this is called as the direct form 1. This is zeros and these are the poles. Now we will go for the direct form 2 realization for the system. What will happen here? You can see this diagram. In direct form 2, this side represents the poles and this side represents the zeros. Now we will change. The left side will be pole and right side will be zeros, and we will implement this transfer function in the structure with direct form 2. Now see this numerical. Obtain the direct form 1 and 2 realization for a third order IIR filter function which is expressed as below. H of z is equal to 0.28 z square plus 0.319 z plus 0.04 upon 0.5 z cube plus 0.3 z square plus 0.17 z minus 0.2. To obtain the direct form 1 and 2 realization, let us multiply the numerator and denominator of given transfer function by 2 to the power z to the power minus 3. Why? Because in the denominator we have this 0.5 z to the power 3. So you can have 1 upon 0.5 z to the power 3, that is 2 z to the power minus 3. So this term will become 1. So divide numerator and denominator by 2 to the power z to the power minus 3 so that this term becomes 1. Now this becomes, the new transfer function becomes like this: 0.56 z inverse plus 0.638 z to the power minus 2 plus 0.08 z to the power minus 3 upon 1. This term should be 1. 0.6 z inverse plus 0.35. This becomes the standard transfer function to make this 1. Now the direct form 1 and 2 realization of this transfer function have been shown in this figure below. Now you can see this numerator is shown this side and denominator is implemented to this side. This is called as direct form 1. In direct form 2, this side will be shown to this side and this zeros will be shown to the right side. This is the, and what will happen in direct form 2, we will take the common delays. In direct form 1, number of delays will be more, and in direct form 2, the delays will be reduced to nearly equal to half. So you can see here this 0.56 z inverse. Here we don't have the term 1, so no need to put the line here of 1 unity. So here x of n z inverse, you will get 0.56 x of n minus 1 or 0.56 z inverse. You will get 0.638 z inverse, that is z to the power minus 2, and here you will get 0.08 z to the power minus 2. All will be added here, so you will get this term. And this side, this is 1 and this is y of n, so 0.6 z inverse. So you will get here minus 0.6 z inverse. You have to write minus here, minus 0.5 minus 0.34 z to the power minus 2 with these two delays, and minus this is plus 0.4 z to the power minus 3, and all these will be added. So the output of the first will be here, given to here. So you will get the whole direct 1 form. In direct 2 form, what we will do, you will take this delays common. Here you can see 3 delays are here, 3 delays are here. I will put 3 delays common, and this side will be shifted to the left and this left side will be shifted to the right, so that delays will be minimized here. Now this you can see 0.6, minus 0.34 and 0.4. So this is minus 0.6, minus 0.34, and this is plus 0.4 is towards this side, and here 0.56, 0.638 and 0.08. You can write here 0.36, 0.638 and 0.08. This is y of n here now, and this is x of n. So this is called as a direct form 2 structure. This is the poles and these are the zeros. So this side is pole and this side is zeros, while this side is zeros and this side is pole. So in almost all the numericals where we are implementing this digital filter structure, we will try to use this direct form 2 because it uses the minimum number of delays, and hence this is very preferable in all type of numericals as well as the implementation, that is direct form 2. And using this we can also decide whether it is canonic or non-canonic according to the order. Since this given function is of the third order, so we require the 3 delays for the canonic system, and if the delays are more, it will be a non-canonic. So you can see this system is a non-canonic system, while this system is a canonic system because it uses only 3 delays. So number of delays will be equal to the order of the transfer function, that is third order. So therefore we can say that this system is a canonic system. So in implementing the digital filters or structures, it is desired to have the canonic form. So canonic form is important, and hence we use direct form 2. So this is direct form 2 is very important in all types of numericals. Again, next time we will see this problem. Find the direct form 1 and direct form 2 realization of the second order filter given y of n is equal to 2b cos omega 0 y of n minus n minus b square y of n minus 2 plus x of n minus b cos of omega 0 x of n minus 1. To implement this structure or this given difference equation into filter structure, we will see in terms of the direct form 2, and later on we will compare with the direct form also 1 also. This is direct form 1 structure, this is direct form 2 structure. In next video we will go through this problem and many more problems on the filter structure. This is only of the direct form 1 and direct form 2. There are number of structures of IIR as well as the EFIR filter. So later on we will see in the next video the other numericals of these filter structures. This is very important. Thank you very much for hearing this numerical and sharing with me. Any doubts you can ask me on mail, phone or WhatsApp or on Google Classroom platform. This is also available, and you are all connected with this Google Classroom also. Meet you in next video. Thank you very much. Thank you.